Hello, my name is Fatima Iqbal, and I'm joined today with Christian Greiner of Ziegler Capital Management. We're going to talk to Christian today about the Azzad Ethical Fund and how it performed in the second quarter of 2015. So, Christian, thanks for having us. To get us started, can you talk to us a little bit about how stocks performed overall in the second quarter?
Well, yes. The S&P 500 overall, they returned 0.3% on the quarter. It's up about 1.2% on the year. It's a nice steady gain, and after the outsized gains we've seen over the last couple of years, it's sort of what you'd expect to see. For mid-cap growth stocks, which is what the Azzad Ethical Fund is in, they were down about 1.1% on the quarter, but year-to-date they're still up 4.2% and beating the S&P 400. When we take a look at the broader market in general, what we see is that healthcare stocks once again continue to have a great quarter in the second quarter, both the biotech names as well as the medical device names. Where we did see some other outperformance is the telecom and the consumer discretionary space. Where we saw some underperformance was the utilities, which are continuing to sell off because people are expecting the Fed to hike interest rates sometime sooner rather than later, as well as within the industrial space. That also underperformed.
Okay, so specifically then with the Azzad Ethical Fund, what did you feel really helped the fund?
Well, when we take a look at the returns and the stocks, one thing that really helped us was stock picking within the information technology sector, specifically in the software names. So we had a couple names that are leveraged to the stories about internet security. So we've seen all these stories in the news about hacking. These are the kinds of companies that help prevent and identify these threats, and we've been invested in those. And we also really benefited from some of our investments in semiconductor equipment names. Within the industrial space, we are leveraged to the names that benefit from the employment situation getting better within this country, and those have done really well for us.
Okay, and anything that you felt significantly hurt the fund?
Well, once again, when we start taking a look through the numbers, it was once again the consumer space. Within the consumer staple space specifically, we had a distributor of natural and organic foods that had made a really large acquisition and had a real tough time absorbing that acquisition into its corporate structure. We also had two food product makers that had a tough quarter, one being with the type of product that they're selling and slowing of sales growth, the other one being with issues overseas. Another thing that hurt us was the automobile sector, which really helped us in the first quarter. We're in the auto parts makers in those, not those that actually put together the cars. And those, while they didn't really underperform, they didn't have as good of a quarter as we had hoped.
Okay. Well, thank you again, Christian, for taking the time to sit with us and chat a little bit about the Azzad Ethical Fund. Please be sure to check out this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Fatima Iqbal with Azzad Asset Management. Thank you for watching.